Hello guys, today I have received this large doggy door. Let's unbox it. Let me show you what comes inside. Get all the hardware, which is all the screws, an Allen wrench, and also the nuts required for this installation. And finally guys, this is the aluminum pet door right here. All right. And this is the large size. It is all aluminum made. Okay, and look at the sides right here. You can actually expand the side so that way the pathway gets constructed so your pet can actually go through the inside and go through the door. Now this is a closure where you can actually lock your dog inside or outside. This will actually be helpful if in case you just don't want your dog to be outside. You can just definitely close this flap door. And look at this guys, this is a magnetic flap doors, so your pet can actually go through it. This is 3 flaps. This is the one on the inside or outside depending on the direction that you put this. This other flap will prevent from your heating or cooling to actually stay inside your house. And finally the other flap. Now notice on the bottom right here, it does have a magnet so that way the door always closes whenever your dog passes by. Okay, and it has this latch. You'll be able to also leave it in that position or just, open it again and slide it all the way to the bottom so the door gets closed. Okay, so it's a very nice mechanism for you to actually allow or not your dog to get outside. All the dog needs to do is just practically push these flaps and he'll be going through the door. This is very useful just in case you want to install it at your house, at your office, on a door, on the wall. It'll be very versatile on the places that you can install this. The only recommendation is definitely measure the width of the wall or the door that you'll be installing this. This, as I noticed, is perfect for any door. Definitely through the walls, just measure the width right here. And the installation will be very, very simple. Just a couple screws, it already comes pre-constructed, and your dog will be using the door in no time. I hope that the information about this doggy door was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.